All right, here we go. Number 9 from our 0314 homework number 1 in MyLab Math. It says the number of internet paid search ads is increasing as advertisers move away from traditional marketing methods. The equation y equals 8.3x plus 40.3 can be used to project spending on internet search ads in billions of dollars X years after 2000. So I've got our equation that they gave us written down over here, as well as the important point that X is the number of years after 2000. We're going to be able to use that information now to solve for part A. So it says predicted spending on internet search ads in 2005. Okay. So if X is the number of years after 2000, then 2005 minus 2000 will give us the number of years that they have been going, okay? So 2005 minus 2000, that's 5. And so here what they're telling me, they're saying, well, X is 5. And we're going to be able to take that value for X and substitute it into the equation to get the amount of money spent in 2005. So here we have 8.3 times 5 plus 40.3. There's no way I'm going to do that manually. I'm going to do it electronically. 8.3 times 5 plus 40.3. Now notice my calculator gives 409 divided by 5. I'm pretty sure they want a decimal. So I'm going to click the SD button, and that's 81.8. All right, so Y is 81.8, and remember that that's measured in billions. That's billions of dollars spent. And now let's go to MyLab Math and see if we're right. $81.8 billion spent. Yay. Now for part B. Predicted spending on internet search ads is 115 billion in what year? Okay, so this is the flip side of this problem. Part B, now instead of giving me time, they've given me money, okay? So in other words, they're saying Y is $115 billion. And so if I could get this to scroll down, there we go. So we're going to say 115 is 8.3x plus 40.3. Now, if you see what happened there, I took the equation, and instead of substituting for x, I substituted for y this time, the number they gave me, 115, and then I'm going to have to solve for x. And so the first step to solve for x is to take the 40.3 and move it over. And that's going to make minus 40.3. And then he's not there anymore. So that's 8.3x equals, and then I'm going to pull up my handy dandy calculator. What is 115 minus 40.3? Again, as a decimal, 74.7. And then to finish solving for x, we're going to have to divide both sides by 8.3. And so x is, coming over here to the calculator again, 74.7 divided by 8.3. Wow, comes out to be a whole number 9. So what does that mean? That means that 9 years after the year 2000 is when that's going to happen. So we can say 9 years later, or we can say in 2009. Now you can't choose which one you put. You have to put the one they asked for. So notice it says in the year. So they actually want the year, which is the 2009. And there you go. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.